2019 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seat, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.